came, I saw, I conquered. I got a $40 PS4, y'all. $40. That's all it cost me. $40. The dude thought it was messed up. Nope. The boy fixed it.
This man hungry.
The boy fixed it. Let's go next. Check her network. Watch out. Don't drop the PS4. She trying to drop the PS4, yeah. So it'll break. Wi-Fi is good. It can scan Wi-Fi. Let me see the scan Wi-Fi. Yep, it scan Wi-Fi. That's my Wi-Fi. Let me connect to it real quick, yeah. One moment. Black screen. Oh yeah. It's connecting to Wi-Fi. There we go. It's done. It's connected. Now, I don't know. I'm gonna skip this step. Start now. That's it. Ha! Look at this. Look at this, Chef. Look at this. A $40 PlayStation! The PS4 that's supposedly not working. This thing is clean. As y'all can see, it's super clean. $40. You know, I can't count the shipping. The shipping I paid 18 bucks for, but 40 bucks. PS4 said it wasn't working, but look who got it working. So, one thing I haven't checked yet to see if it reads this. So let me grab Black Ops 3. Oh, Black Ops 3 is not in here. It might be another PlayStation. I'll check if it reads this, and I'll be back with another video. Alright. I am back. So I'm about to go ahead and test the game out. Again, for the people just tuning in, this is a $40 PS4 I bought. Person said that it was not working. The hard drive was corrupted at first, so he switched the hard drive. Still didn't work. It did not want to take the software update. Quite frankly, the person did not know the flash drive he was using wasn't formatted to EX-FAT32, I believe. Was it? Yeah, EX-FAT32. Not just FAT32, EX-FAT32. I've done that, and it uploaded the software perfectly fine. So we're gonna check together. As you can see, I threw in Black Ops already to see if it works. I wanted everybody to take a look at it first before I try to play it. See, right hand corner. This loading up. And this is ready to play. Oh, I didn't know I had to do all this. There we go. Black Ops 3, y'all. Everything is working. Game works well. System works perfect. The guy told me to send him a video if I can get it working, but I don't want to, because I don't want him to feel stupid and thinking I hacked him for $40. Again, I took a chance. It might have not worked. I could have been wrong, but lucky thing I was not wrong. What I thought it was exactly the issue. There you go, guys. Everything's working. $40 PS4. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this yet. This is like the second PS4 in the house. We got two PS4, they go one PS4 here. Oh, this is the third PS4 because my wife got one in the room over here. So this is the third PS4. Let me see. We got like 2 Xboxes in the house, so I don't know. I might trade it in for something. I don't know. But till then, holla.